back to my channel. It is time for another bullet journal video. I know you guys really enjoy these videos, so I enjoy creating them for you. And obviously it is March, it is time for a whole new month. I'll be totally honest, throughout February I didn't use my bullet journal whatsoever, like literally at all. It's empty, and I only went up to the 18th as well, so I hardly use this, and it makes such a difference when I do use this because it keeps me organised and everything like that. So March, I really want to focus on making the most of this book, and fingers crossed I will actually do it, because I know in the past I haven't really kept up with it, but hopefully fingers crossed this time I will. So obviously it is the month of March. I have gone through and penciled out what I'm doing, and I'm just going to kind of draw them out as I go along the pages, and so you guys can sit down and plan it with me basically. So before I get into the video, if you do enjoy the bullet journal type content, then do click that subscribe button down below. I will be posting bullet journal videos quite consistently, so if you like that, then do join the family. And if you like beauty videos as well, that is the other kind of content I create. So it's a bit of everything, you know. You should just click it. You know you want to. Just click it. Thanks. Without further ado, let's get into this plan with me. So my theme for this month is kind of a bit more kind of floral and a bit more spring focused, if that makes sense. Although I am filming this and it is snowing really heavily outside, so I'm not sure how close spring actually is, but you know, we'll hope and pray by drawing some pretty flowers and stuff on here. So fingers crossed it won't be too long until spring is here. If you guys ever recreate anything I do, then do tag me on Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, because I would love to see. So that's my front cover all done and dusted. Moving on to my monthly log. I'm still playing around. I still haven't got like the actual monthly log that I want to do kind of down and kind of finalised, so I change it up by month to month. I think that's the best way, so that I kind of keep interest, if that makes sense. So that's my monthly layout there. I've got obviously where it says March at the top. Here is like a little YouTube growth tracker, so I've literally just put March 1st and March 31st, and then I'll write in there how many subscribers I've got at the beginning and at the end. Very simple and straightforward. Then obviously I've got my days of the month, so starts on the 1st, ends on the 31st, and as you saw I did do a little bit wrong. I'm just going to ignore that. If I Tipp-Ex it out it's going to look even worse, so I'm just going to ignore it there. And then obviously I've just drawn the dates in each box, and then I'll write in there what's going on the day. So for example, little tiny example there, on the 20th it's my birthday, yay, I'm going to be 22. Where is my life going? It's disappearing before my eyes. But yeah, I'll write like my birthday in there. It's very straightforward. And then on this side here, I've got a tiny teeny little tracker, because I did really enjoy doing this before, like habit trackers. But I haven't done one in this book so far in the whole of 2018. So I've decided to put one here. And it's basically very simple. I've just got the dates down there. And then I'm tracking Instagram, YouTube, workout, no spending, because my spending is terrible at the moment, washing my hair and tanning, because I want to try and stop washing my hair as much, hence why it's on there. And then my fake tan is on the end, and I'm literally just going to colour in the squares each day as to what I have done and what I haven't done. Easy peasy. Turning over the page, I've got my gym tracker. Let's draw this out. So this is my gym tracker. As you can see, it says gym tracker on it. And then what I've got here is week by week, a little square for every day. Obviously this is starting on the 26th of February because I wanted a full week. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to colour in when I've gone to the gym. So for example, I went yesterday, I'm filming this on Wednesday, went yesterday and I've coloured it in. Easy peasy. So that's just kind of figuring out what days I go and what days I don't go, etc. Underneath there is my workouts. So I've got my time, my description or what exercise or whatever I'm doing, the time, the distance and the calories I have lost doing that. I am focusing more on cardio at the moment because I've never been to a gym before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. So at the moment I'm just focusing on cardio, on like treadmills and bikes and all this, and that's what that is for. So I'm just going to kind of track what I'm doing. And then here is my progress, so my weight at the beginning of the month and my weight at the end of the month, and then whether I've lost or whether I've gained weight. Basically, I am trying to lose weight. I'm not trying to tone up or anything like that at the moment, so that's why I haven't done like measurements and stuff basically. But yeah, I kind of like this layout and I think I'm going to get more use out of this compared to what I did last month, I hope. Fingers crossed. So now on to the next page. So that is the next pages, very simple. My expense tracker, I have decided to put one of these in this month only because my spending is terrible, like straight up my spending is terrible, and I want to really focus on bringing spending down. So I'm hoping if I make a note of every single thing I'm spending, it will make me realise that I need to just reel it in, like reel it in. And so fingers crossed this is going to work. I'm literally going to write down every single last little thing that I'm not kind of accounting for. So I'm not going to put down like travel or anything like that. It's more just kind of things that I'm not accounting for already that I'm not expecting to spend. So for example, if I buy a top or if I buy some makeup that I haven't already budgeted for, that's when that's going to go in there. So that's that page. And then lastly, it's onto the weekly spread. So there you have it, that is my weekly spread. I know it's only on one page and I know a lot of you are going to get twitchy about that, but I don't tend to write a lot in this, so I didn't see the point in putting it across 2 pages, so that's why it's only on the 1 page. And then I've obviously just got a section just to write down what I'm doing on each day. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There you go. So I'm just going to flip it through one last time. So as I'm just flipping through just to show you it as an overview, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, then do click that like button down below. That would really help me out and make me a happy little bean. And if you do enjoy this kind of content, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below. If you have any kind of suggestions on videos you want to see in the future, then let me know down in the comments because I will take them on board and more than likely do them for you. All of my social media links will be in the description box, so if you want to check me out on Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, then do check the description box down below. I'm pretty sure that is everything that I needed to say, so thank you guys again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and fingers crossed I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!